Hello once again, this is James and welcome to my Microsoft Excel videos. Today we are going to look at what we call conditional formatting. What is conditional formatting? Conditional formatting is a feature in Excel which allows the user to apply a format to a cell or a range of cells based on a certain condition or criteria. How do we do this? Let us jump into Excel and see how this happens. For example, basing on this sample text, we might want to conditionally format the sexes such that the males appear in color blue and the females in color pink. We will highlight our data. We come to conditional formatting. Zoom in. It's in the styles tab. So that's where we will come to see how we do that. So I'll come to conditional formatting. Then I'll say highlight cell rules. Then I'll say text that contains. I'll come here and type male, for example. And what do I want the males to be? I'll click on the drop down arrow. I say custom. Then I want them to be in color blue. And I may want them to be bold, for example. Then I say OK. And OK. Notice that all of them have changed because even the females have an element of male, but we can go back still and format it further. Conditional formatting, highlight cell values, and text that contains, this time we say female. Then we still come back to custom. We want a pink. We have a pink here. Then we say OK and OK. So notice that now the males are color blue and the females are color pink. Let us try to do it on values or figures. I can highlight this. Then I might want to say that I want to all values above 50,000 to be above 50,000 to be in color red, and those below to be in color green. So I'll still come back to my conditional formatting. Then I come back to my highlight cell values. Then I say it is greater than. Then I'll type 50,000. Then I say I want them to have, you can even pick any of this. I want them to have a red border around them. So I have not highlighted properly. Let's go back. Say is greater than. I'll say 50,000. Let's choose a custom format. Maybe you want them to be in color red and in italics, for example. Then we say OK. Okay, notice that it has performed it. Then the rest you want them in color green. So those you can say text that is less than 50,000 to be in color custom, in color green and in italics. Then you say OK. Notice that they will change. The 50,000 hasn't changed because when we are describing our rule, we said greater than and less than. So 50,000 was not catered for. So that is how we do part of the conditional formatting. There is more we can do there. For example, if we can clear these rules from the selected cells and they go back to normal, there are several things you can do. We can use these data bars to show us which figure is bigger. So you'll notice that the smallest figure will get a small bar, while the bigger figures, they will get bars which are bigger correspondingly. We can also use icon sets. For example, I can use this network grid kind of thing. Let's try to make this a little bit bigger. So notice that if there are bars like network bars on a phone, when the bars are less, it means the network is not good. So in this case, if 10,000 were network, the network would be poor, and so the story goes on. So that's how we do conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.